Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video I will quickly show you how to upload photos to Pexels. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. So open the official Pexel website first of all. Make sure you are signed in, and if you don't have an account yet, go ahead and create it. It only takes a few minutes. Once you are logged in, look at the top right corner of the page and you will see the upload button. Click on it right here. Now a window will pop up where you can upload your photos. You will see two options. Now drag and drop your images or browse your files manually, as you can see here, the bottom for it. It also shows how many uploads you have left for the day. You get 50 uploads per day, which is pretty nice. For example, I will drag my photo right into it. Uh, I will just show you how it works. I'm not actually uploading this one since it's my picture. I don't want to do that, but if you want to do it, uh, I will show you how. But if you have your own photos or something else, just drop them in the box, wait for it to load, and once it says connected, uploaded, you can hit here down, submit your content, and you are basically done. You also can put here the location and also the text. Um, and yeah, that's basically, and that's really all there is to it. A quick and easy way to share your photos on Pexels. If this helped you, feel free to leave a like and subscribe. I thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.